Hello, this is Kendra Crowe, a published author, #1 bestseller on Amazon. And I'm shooting this quick testimonial for Jerome Lewis. And I was working on my second book, which really was a lead magnet. And from turning that lead magnet into a book, I wanted something a little bit more simpler, and I wanted to self-publish. And so I looked at Jerome, and I was so excited that we were able to jump on, and he gave me the complete framework to take that lead magnet and turn it into a book, which will be launched here in the next less than a month now. Jerome, I'm so excited. Thank you so much for helping me. And I love using your 3-step approach to launching books, taking them from a lead magnet, taking them from conception, and turning them into a physical book and being able to self-publish. So again, Jerome, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for your strategy. And most importantly, for any authors that are out there that are struggling and wanting to take their business to the next level and truly knowing that they want to teach the thing, they want to create the framework to help them take their business to the next level, Jerome is the guy. Jerome is the go-to. Definitely. Thank you, Jerome. I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.